The corridors of justice, where a magistrate court sitting in Kerugoya has given the nod for gospel singer Rachael Muthoni Wandeto's body to be released to her mother for burial. The ruling puts a cap on a dispute in which her partner, Peter Njaramba, had sought to bury her. Wandeto came to the public limelight following claims she was doused with acid and set on fire in Mwiki, Nairobi, for tattooing an image of the president. Her planned burial was halted pending the outcome of the case. Details of this and more in the Skills of Justice segment.
Wandeto's funeral, which was set for May 28, 2026 in Kirinyaga, was temporarily halted after her partner Peter Njaramba moved to the court to block the burial, seeking to have her buried at his family home in Murang'a County.
Temporary injunction is hereby issued to the respondent, his agents, servants, or anyone acting under his authority from accessing, collecting, removing, or burying the remains of the deceased Rachael Muthoni Wandeto pending determination of the suit.
The order led to confusion among mourners who had gathered at Kerugoya Stadium for the funeral service. And on Wednesday, resident magistrate Harrison Maina giving a verdict in the case ordered her body to be released to her mother, Sarah Njeri, for burial.
Zuma Funeral Home Limited shall release the remains of the deceased to the applicant for the purposes of burial. The applicant shall undertake the burial arrangements pending the final determination of the suit. This being a family matter, each party will bear their own cost.
The court found that Wandeto and Njaramba were not legally married, noting that no dowry had been paid despite the couple having 2 children together.
Upon careful consideration of the material placed before the court, notably evidentiary deficiencies become apparent. The respondent has not produced any records of dowry negotiations, nor has any evidence been tendered to demonstrate that dowry was ever paid.
With the court ruling, Wandeto will now be buried at Kabumbu village in Kirinyaga Central in her mother's home. Elsewhere, 3 boys from Kisumu Boys High School have been arraigned at a Kisumu law court for planning to commit arson at the school. The prosecution informed the court that the trio were found with items ready to commit the felony. The court has directed they be remanded at Kodiaga GK prison until Monday, when a bail ruling will be delivered.
An expedited pre-bail report on the safety of the accused persons, including details of their abode and the likelihood of being attacked. The matter can be mentioned on Monday for the pre-bail report and a ruling on bond and bail terms.
And a businessman who had been charged in April 2026 for selling unregistered pest control products will be sentenced next week. On Wednesday, Principal Magistrate Paul Mutai was shown the exhibits, says from Stephen Mwangi Gishoi in Nairobi CBD.
I have considered mitigation. I will call for pre-sentencing reports to be availed on the 16th of June next week. I direct that the exhibits be kept under the care of investigating officer, pending further orders to be given by this court.
Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.